Hi, my name is Derek Garcia from LearnSBOM.com, and today I'll be reviewing Apt2SBOM, a Python package for converting Ubuntu app packages into SPDX and CycloneDX SBOMs. Just a disclaimer before I continue, this tool is still under active development, so just keep that in mind before adopting this tool. I'll be demonstrating in an Ubuntu server inside a virtual Python environment. Since I'm using a virtual environment, it will require a little setup, but you can skip this step and install the tool directly into your environment if you wish. The steps are the same after setup. The point of a virtual environment is to be isolated and independent from the outside environment, but since we need access to the outside one, we need to configure the Python environment by modifying the config file. To do this, access your config file inside your virtual Python environment directory, so in my case, it's here, and change the include site system packages to true, like so. And I'll save that. This will allow access to the outside packages, admittedly defeating the purpose of a virtual environment, but it's necessary in this case. Now we can start the virtual environment. In this case, I just have a bash script I wrote to handle setup. Normally the only packages installed would be pip and build tools, but we can see all of my packages are here. With the setup complete, we can install the tool with pip, like so. And we can check to see the tool has successfully installed with the help flag. The tool usage is fairly simple. The only required argument is the format, which is SPDX JSON, SPDX YAML, and CycloneDX JSON. So to start, if I want to generate a JSON SPDX, I pass the -j flag, and just to get a better output, I'm going to pipe it to JQ. Now this will take a moment, but after which we'll see we get a very extensive SBOM. Again, a very large SBOM, which is to be expected since this is cataloging all the app packages on my system. Apt2SBOM doesn't have a built-in output function, but it's easy enough to redirect the output like so. So in this case, I'm generating a CycloneDX SBOM, piping it to JQ, and redirecting the output to cdx.json. My file has been generated. So to check that our packages have been included, I'm just going to list my packages and just pick one at random. Let's say wget. Now if I open up my SBOM file and I search for it, we can see we got our component here and all the related information. Apt2SBOM is a simple and effective way to generate SBOMs for an Ubuntu environment. It's a great little tool for VMs or exporter environments just to show what exactly is included. It also goes to show that SBOMs aren't just limited to code, but environments as well. Although it's still under development, Apt2SBOM is a great tool to have in your back pocket. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us at LearnSBOM.com.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.